When people talk about artificial intelligence, the focus is usually on jobs being replaced. But there's another side to the story that often gets ignored. Artificial intelligence isn't just eliminating work, it's also creating entirely new careers. In fact, some of the most in-demand jobs of the future may only exist because of AI. Artificial intelligence is already transforming industries across the United States, from healthcare and finance to marketing and technology. As companies adopt these tools, they are not only automating tasks, they are also creating new roles that require human oversight, creativity, and decision-making. To understand where the job market is heading, it's important to look not only at what's disappearing, but also at what's emerging. One of the fastest growing new roles is AI prompt engineering. These professionals specialize in communicating effectively with artificial intelligence systems. By carefully designing prompts, they can guide AI tools to produce more accurate, useful, and creative results. As businesses rely more on AI for writing, coding, and research, the ability to ask the right questions is becoming a valuable skill. As AI-generated content becomes more common, the need for human editors is increasing. AI can produce text quickly, but it often lacks nuance, tone, and context. Content editors review, refine, and improve this material to ensure it meets professional standards. In many cases, humans and AI now work together to create high-quality content. Another emerging role is AI ethics specialist. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful, concerns about bias, fairness, and accountability are growing. These professionals help ensure that AI systems are used responsibly and ethically. Their work is especially important in areas like healthcare, law, and public policy. Automation consultants help businesses decide how to use AI effectively. Not every task should be automated, and poor implementation can create new problems. These experts analyze workflows, identify opportunities, and recommend strategies that improve efficiency without sacrificing quality. As more companies adopt AI, demand for this role is expected to grow. Artificial intelligence systems require large amounts of data to function properly. AI trainers and data specialists play a key role in preparing and organizing this information. They label data, correct errors, and help systems learn from real-world examples. Without this human input, many AI tools would not perform effectively. Designing how people interact with AI is becoming increasingly important. Human-AI interaction designers focus on making these systems intuitive, efficient, and user-friendly. Their goal is to ensure that technology feels natural and easy to use. This role combines elements of design, psychology, and technology. AI product managers oversee the development and performance of AI-based tools and platforms. They coordinate between engineers, designers, and business teams. Their responsibility is to ensure that AI products meet user needs while aligning with company goals. This role requires both technical understanding and strong decision-making skills. As artificial intelligence systems grow more advanced, security risks are also increasing. AI security specialists focus on protecting systems from misuse, data breaches, and manipulation. Their work helps ensure that AI technologies remain safe and reliable. This is likely to become one of the most critical roles in the future. These roles highlight an important shift in the job market. Instead of simply replacing human workers, artificial intelligence is creating new opportunities that require a combination of technical and human skills. The future of work is not just about automation, it's about adaptation. While some jobs may decline, new roles are emerging that did not exist just a few years ago. The most valuable professionals in the future may be those who learn how to work alongside artificial intelligence, rather than compete with it. Understanding these changes can help individuals prepare for a rapidly evolving job market and take advantage of new opportunities as they appear.